Welcome back to another exploration of the natural world. Today, we are challenging your perspective on history. When we think of ancient things, we often imagine the giant redwoods or dense forests that cover our planet. However, there is a predator in the deep that predates the very concept of a forest. Sharks have been patrolling the oceans for hundreds of millions of years, long before the first seed ever sprouted into a tree. In this video, we will dive into why this timeline exists and uncover several other mind-blowing animal facts that will change how you see the animal kingdom. Get ready to learn about survival, evolution, and the strange biology of Earth's most fascinating creatures.
Sharks first appeared in the fossil record approximately 450 million years ago during the late Ordovician period. To put that into perspective, they have survived 4 of the big 5 mass extinctions. They were swimming in the ocean long before dinosaurs walked the Earth, and even before the supercontinent Pangaea formed. These early sharks were different from the great whites we know today, but their basic body plan has remained remarkably consistent. This incredible longevity is a testament to their perfect design as apex predators. While other species rose and fell, sharks simply adapted and continued their reign in the dark depths of the global oceans.
It might be hard to believe, but for about 100 million years, Earth was a planet with sharks but no trees. The first plants that we would recognize as trees, like the Archaeopteris, did not appear until about 350 million years ago. Before trees, the land was dominated by giant fungi and small shrub-like plants. It took millions of years of evolution for plants to develop the lignin necessary to grow tall and create the massive forests that now define our terrestrial landscape. This 100 million year gap highlights just how ancient shark lineage truly is, making them one of the most successful evolutionary stories in the history of life on our planet.
How did sharks manage to stay around for so long? Using the Feynman technique, we can break down their survival into simple concepts. First, their skeletons are made of cartilage, which is lighter and more flexible than bone. This saves energy. Second, they possess highly developed senses, including the ability to detect electromagnetic fields from their prey. Third, they are opportunistic feeders with a wide-ranging diet. By simplifying their biological needs while maximizing their hunting efficiency, sharks created a foolproof blueprint for survival. They didn't need to change much because their initial design was so effective at navigating the changing conditions of Earth's oceans over eons.
Moving from the ancient to the immortal, let's look at the Turritopsis dohrnii. This tiny creature is biologically immortal. When it faces physical damage or starvation, it doesn't die. Instead, it transforms its cells back to their earliest state and starts its life cycle over again from a polyp. This process is called transdifferentiation. Theoretically, this cycle can repeat indefinitely, allowing the jellyfish to cheat death. While it can still be eaten by predators or killed by disease, it does not die of old age. This unique biological mechanism is currently being studied by scientists to understand the secrets of cellular regeneration and aging in other species, including humans.
Elephants are known for their intelligence, but did you know they talk through the ground? They produce low-frequency sounds called infrasound that are below the range of human hearing. These sounds create vibrations that travel through the earth for several miles. Elephants detect these vibrations using sensitive nerve endings in their feet and trunk. This seismic communication allows herds to coordinate movements and find each other across vast distances. It is a sophisticated social network that operates right beneath our feet. By understanding these subtle signals, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complex social structures and emotional lives of these gentle giants in the wild.
The octopus is perhaps the closest thing to an alien on Earth. They have 3 hearts and 9 brains. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third circulates it to the rest of the body. Their blood is blue because it uses copper to transport oxygen, which is more efficient in cold, low-oxygen environments. Furthermore, while they have a central brain, 2/3 of their neurons are actually located in their arms. This means each arm can think and react independently of the central brain. This decentralized nervous system allows for incredible multitasking and problem-solving abilities that are unlike any other creature in the animal kingdom.
How do you ensure you remember these incredible facts? The best way is through spaced repetition. If you want to move this information from your short-term to long-term memory, you should review these facts at specific intervals. Try recalling them tomorrow, then in 7 days, and finally in 30 days. This method works with your brain's natural forgetting curve. By actively recalling that sharks are 450 million years old or that an octopus has 3 hearts at these intervals, you strengthen the neural pathways. Learning is not just about taking in information once. It is about strategically revisiting it to ensure it sticks for a lifetime. Happy learning!